Alright, welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, as we do a roasted trout with tomato orange cherry sauce. 1 trout per person. This recipe makes for 2. Our ingredients are going to be 1 tomato, 1 orange, 1 lime, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 4 tart cherries, olive oil, butter, salt, pepper, garlic, cilantro, parsley. Start by roughly dicing your tomato. If you're using cherry tomatoes, you can go ahead and quarter them. There you go. Make sure you clean your wood between uses. Zest your orange. You're looking for a tablespoon or 2, and then juice half of it into your mixer with the tomatoes. There you go. You're going to do the same thing with your lime. Well, actually, you're not going to zest it, just juice it. You could, though. Add a teaspoon of brown sugar, or honey, or maple syrup, or something with sugar in it. Something to give it that sweetness. Now, dice your tart cherries, just like your mom. You know, they should be tart. More fun that way, and then clean your wood after. Definitely a good idea. A shake of cumin or cumin, depending on your pronunciation. Add some olive oil to the mix. And then a pinch of salt and some pepper. Black pepper. Or dash, whatever you want to call it. It's all good. There, that's my murder weapon. I'm calling it now. Now give it a good stir and check for seasoning. You can add your parsley now or later, or cilantro. Give it a taste. If it needs more salt or more pepper, adjust the seasonings. You can always add more, you can't take it away though. Now, you're going to dice 1 to 3 cloves of garlic. Or mince, that's minced, isn't it? Now, on an oiled baking tray, set your fish. Make sure they have room to breathe. And you don't want your fish straight out of the refrigerator. You want them warmed up a little bit. Put a bunch of butter over low heat. Add your garlic. And you're going to cook that until you can really smell the garlic. It'll be fragrant. Careful not to burn the butter or garlic, because it'll get bitter. Now, on the fish, you'll brush both sides, inside and out. In the cavity, you want carnal knowledge, and then sprinkle with some salt. Alright, now your oven's at 475 or 250C, and you're going to roast for 10 minutes. These fish are really small, so they shouldn't take that long. There you go. After 10 minutes, reapply the garlic butter, and then you're going to roast for 10 more minutes. And then, back in, back out, they're done. Put on your serving tray. Now you're going to add your sauce to the fish, as well as some of the cooking juices. And then you're going to subscribe to my channel. And then you're going to garnish with parsley and cilantro. And then serve immediately.